Warning, read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, I'm Brad. I'm a senior engineer at Tregaskiss, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the cable on an Atlas torch. The first step is to remove the connector housing cover, and simply you just give it a little twist, pull it off, place it off to the side, and then you're going to take a common tool, a pair of whelpers, or even an Allen key, and you're just going to take the end of the whelpers and just stick them underneath the cam levers right here. Get your fingers underneath, and you're going to pull up the cam levers, top and bottom. There's no need to remove the neck, consumables, or anything like that. Once the cam levers are up, you're going to remove it from the wire feeder on the back, and then you're simply just going to pull the cable and liner out through the back of the wrist. And that's how you remove the cable.